it's you versus the guy she told you not to worry about.
Good morning, YouTube. Another day, another week starts. A bit nippy this morning, everything's a bit frozen. We're just storing everything out now. Going to get loaded up. About 3 or 4 gates on here, so we're going to have to separate the ones we want for this morning. Load up the posts on there onto this truck here, then we'll get the post mix on and stuff. Carl's going to go down with them, so he's seen the job. It's only at Thackley, not far from us, so he can show them that. And then just waiting on a delivery, and we're going to go over to Morley and just make sure it's all level, get some levels for that big sliding gate I've got on order. So yeah, we'll leave it at that for now and I'll see you later.
Monday. Down at Beachcliff School. 2 double leaf gates going in there, and then a bit of prison mesh fencing. Returning back to these fences. Basically making 2 pens. And that was buns, because I'm nice like that. I've brought 4 buns. Day 2 down at Beachcliff. Lad's got it all posted yesterday. So this is pen 1. It'll be fenced down to that fence line. Gates here. Through into second pen. That's fenced down there in half. The gates will go there. We'll catch you when we've got all these panels on. That's another job done and dusted. All finished here at Beachcliff. Well, I am nipping back tomorrow with a couple of extra clips just for around these gates where we've run out. So that's one zone. And this is another zone. That's the zones gated off. Nice double leaf gates to keep their access if ever needed.
Yeah, just having another delivery of this stone recycled stuff that we've used. So I'll just get a little bigger. What is it? I'm a bit too far back, but go forward a bit. So, we were stuck then. Wouldn't have fancied towing that out, would you? It's another 20 tonne there. Move it all now. Level it out. You got a rake, Paul? It comes here, look.
I'll just go back in office.
Well, there's cameras done as well, look, new cameras everywhere. Good morning, YouTube. Bit nippy this morning, in fact I've just lads pull up. Yeah, just got a little, first day back to the gym for me today in about 6 months. Making already. Won't be able to move tomorrow. So yeah, just got a little job on today. It's just 18 metres, 6 panels, 1.8 V mesh and a little single gate at school over near Halifax. I'm hoping that's the gate on top there, which I think it is, this one. So we'll get loaded up and we'll get them on the way. I'll see you in a bit.
Good afternoon, it's Wednesday, we're over in Halifax at a school, Ravenscliff School. We've never worked here. We've just put a gate in, a single gate and some V-mesh fencing. Kids are climbing up here, so we've sort of segregated this area here. Okay, I've come down with an half and then been a bit of a dig down there. Like solid rebar and concrete under there, so it's took some bashing through. It's a single gate made by John Bear, tapped onto there, so yeah, nice little installation.
Delivery turn up, Carl Steele. Oh, he's got digger out for me. But, I think he started doing it by the looks of it. Just had a go, hadn't he? And then steel's turned up here. But yeah, I shall get on with moving all that today. Had to put my hat on. It's a bit chilly here. Meant to be 20 degrees, but anyway, I'll get off, give Carl on with this, and then I'll get back to you. Good morning, YouTube. Wednesday already. Sorry, Thursday. What am I? It's Thursday already. Just been at gym again. Getting out way this week, but we've mainly moved all that. Finished it off for me yesterday. A bit more, obviously, moved there. That wants to go, just levelling off down there a bit. Just a bit more to go in there. Probably half a load might do that, or even a couple of loads on back at van might just do it. Do just pushing that down there a little bit, which I'll do when I get 5 minutes. So yeah, the lads got done yesterday. Just a little job at Ravenscliffe School in Halifax. 18 metres, so I'll take that off. Carl started cutting all his steel used to some gates he's got. I've got a job to see somewhere, I can't remember where it is exactly now. I know I've got a job to see, oh yeah, Leeds 6 it is, remember now. So I'm just going to have a quick drill before the lads get here, and I shall see you soon.
What are we on with, Jacob?
We just had a very large steel delivery.
A very large steel delivery.
So I'm going to be putting that.
I'd call that a very medium steel delivery.
No, I'd call it a large.
We've got 4 single gates to make, haven't we?
Yeah.
And a set of big, are they 6 metre? Are they 2.4 double leaf?
Yeah, I believe so. Yeah.
We don't really like doing them that big in here, but it's a bit of a rush job, so we're going to have to. Yeah, so while he's cutting that, I'm just adapting some seat bases for in a camper van. Got to all sorts in here, don't we?
So yeah, I'm just down in Leeds, just pulled up at some allotments just in front of me here, gate there. I'm just, seems to be a bit of a activity going on here, but just try calling fella who I'm dealing with, no answer when you're here. I think I can see somebody inside, so I might see if I can collar them and hopefully get some footage when I'm in there.
Yeah, alright then.
So yeah, I'm just at these allotments, but kids are getting in here, so I might have to extend it or something. Probably 12 metres down here from there, just where gaps are, down to here, this corner.
Yeah.
And probably clad these gates in some prison mesh, 2.4 high it is. As look what happened when I got out at that guy who were in a gate for me. So you might have just seen, if you put it on little clips there, that I was trying to get some video and he's sort of talking to me at the same time, thinking I'm talking to him, but I'm not. I'm trying to video what they need, but yeah. So I've just got a couple of little clips there. There's like 2 or 3 little bits to want doing. There's one up in top corner, one section of 358, stop kids getting over at corner. Right in front of me, if you can see that well, they've got these bushes all the way up and they're quite thick, but down there at gates here it says soil's probably a bit iffy. So I'll probably just put a 1.8 V-mesh fence on the inside. The gate's just here, I mean up them, so it wants, they want cladding in just a couple of seats of 358, 2.4 high by about 3 metres wide, I think it is, so it might need 2 sheets unfortunately. So I just had a call as I went out actually. I want 1,000,000 miles. Another job in Horsforth I've just pulled up to here, bit of a domestic one. It was literally 8 minutes away on sat-nav, so called it back. I'm here now, I've just pulled up, so that woman's coming out here to meet me, so I shall see what she's after here and then get back to you. Yeah, it's not one for us this. It's just a little domestic one, and to be honest, she had like a load of, I don't know what they were, like a certain expensive kind of bush, tree, whatever the heck it was. Like a bonsai thing growing through an old trellis, and she wanted all that taken out, but it was literally woven into it without ruining tree, and it was about 4 sections. That straight away I just had to say it's not one for us. It'd be more hassle than it's worth. Basically, that wants a gardener on it who's got time to do it. Obviously that's not us, we're more commercial fencing contractors, so obviously we do some domestics, but not that type of thing. It's more suited to a gardener or even handyman or whatever who's got time to mess about. So I was just honest, as you've got to be, you know. It's be more hassle than it's worth for us, that, and obviously the expense would be too much for it, I could tell. But you know, it is what it is, all passing anyway, so no harm really.
What a lovely day, Jacob.
It's absolutely beautiful.
What are you doing?
I am cleaning up sliding bolts I call them right now for the single gates. We're in the middle of making 2 single leaves. Pan, camera out there. Pan.
Oh, sorry. Here's one we almost made earlier.
Yeah, here's one we nearly finished making earlier.
Lad, it's dust all week, and then as soon as I offer to pay, suddenly we've got a room for a full English breakfast. We're down on Court Farm, and Jacob doesn't have an eye-vis on. We're just putting a timber feather edge fence from that tree there down this line, down there, down to that white tree. I think we'll get it posted and railed today, all being well, and then I might come back tomorrow and pale it. It's you versus the guy she told you not to worry about. We've had a long day, 12-hour shift. Jimmy doesn't know what's hit him. But when weather's like this, it'd be rude not to. All done. Nice one, it's Friday. We've actually got a set of double leaf steel composite cladded gates to go there next. And that'll match these ones that I did. Did these ones just before Christmas. Here. So yeah, should be good.
Ooh, it's lovely out here now. I know, you'll need it.
It's hot soon. Come on, it's quite cold in there. Come on, here.
That's same in there, mate. I'm always same. Did you note that?
That's it. I know, it's a few of them then.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Should note that really and tell them.
Could have been strapped before, isn't it?
Yeah, it is, yeah. Well, it'll probably come out like, but you've got to keep your eye on stuff like that. So yeah, we've just had this delivered for, what school it is now, is it Autumn Grange, I think, in Bradford. And these are slip posts to go with it. Keep us busy, all 3 metre high. There's a load of railings, old railings to take down on that job as well, so a bit to do on it. Yeah. Carl's going to take these gates to galvanisers more or less. That one there and that one there is just getting finished up. When Jacob gets his finger out, might get finished. Yeah, look. Wow, don't know where this week's gone. It just seems to have gone like that, but everything seems a lot better in some, doesn't it? So, as you can see, I'm not at work at the minute. I've been in this morning, just in a few bits behind scenes, admin, boring stuff that nobody wants to see. Quoting, invoicing, that sort of stuff. So yeah, actually Baggy's off today because he booked it off a couple of weeks ago. He was in a snooker final, which pop up now, he actually won. So well done Baggy, very well done. Stopped playing football and now he's a snooker player. I'll have to come out of retirement and give you a game again. So very well done to that. And then Carl, Jacob and Jamie are doing a timber job just local to us for one of Carl's mates. So hence I'm not that busy, which is great. Friday, it's sun shining. It's never that busy with inquiries really when kids are off from school. Obviously majority of our work is schools. So yeah, we've got a busy week next week though. We're starting a big palisade job in Morley and probably going to start the groundworks for the big sliding electric gate we've got on order. We'll get all that sorted, then Matt's going to meet us on site, then Kim and his guys are then going to put the electrics in for the automation and the access control bits and stuff like that. So yeah, very busy week next week, so we shall get some footage of that hopefully. So yeah, I'll call it here because like I say, I'm sort of working from home now, so there's not a lot to see. The lads might get some footage today, I don't know what to say about that. But yeah, if you like what we do, give us a thumbs up, comment down below. Have a great weekend and we'll see you next week. Thank you.